Just saw my first crocodile of the day there. It's somewhere around the boat here. It just leaped right in. See, oh, there's another one right there. Yeah. There's one right under the boat here. There's one just here, isn't there? And it just went right in. It must have heard us coming. Scared. Crocodilo. Mucho crocodilos aquí?
14 grande.
14 grande. 1400. Just keep the video on and see if we can find any. Yo tengo video, pero no crocodilos en video.
Más adelante vamos a ver.
Yeah, the crocodile we saw there was pretty big, about 3 to 4 meters. 3 o 4.
Ese tenía 4 metros.
4 metros.
El que se tiró, 4 metros.
4 metros. There's a nice bird there flying up. Sometimes you see the bubbles. No say in español, bubble. Bubbles in the water. Not sure if that's a crocodile or a fish. Of course, as soon as I turn the video off, a crocodile will come. So maybe I'll do that.